Okay, so once again, good afternoon. Good afternoon, friend. Okay. So we demonstrate how advanced networks and information technologies are driving the creation of a global economic system and global political order. And many national firms, national industries, and national economies controlled by domestic politicians are being swept away by the new world order. So many localized businesses will be displayed by fast-moving global network conglomerates. No? So the expansion of international trade has dramatically impacted how economies are all around. No? So many electronic products are now manufactured and designed in a number of different countries. Consider the market entry strategy of the HP laptop computer. So global system management in MIS is a complex process that involves coordinating and integrating information technology across multiple regions in culture. Cultural and linguistic diversity are important factors now for operating global systems. Employees must be trained to work effectively with colleagues from other culture, and systems must be created with cultural and language sensitivity in mind. So another critical factors to consider is data privacy, no, and security. No? Global system must abide by data privacy and security laws in every country where they operate. So to secure sensitive data, proper security measures such as encryption and access controls, no, uh, must be used. No? So when managing global system, localization is also essential to satisfy the
Prof, di po namin kayo marinig.
different regions. And of course, to enable worldwide operations, a dependable and scalable infrastructure is also required. So this could entail employing cloud-based solutions that can be easily scaled up or down as needed. Okay, so when managing global system, change management is critical. Now, changes to business process and organizational structure are frequently required now in global system because effective change management is required to guarantee that changes are implemented smoothly and with a little disturbance as possible. To give us more details about the topic, let us all welcome our presenter. Go ahead, sir.